I routinely handle both uncontested and contested divorces in the state of Rhode Island. With respect to an uncontested divorce, it can be something as simple as no assets, no children, no property, where the parties have already reached an agreement, they're ready to go through the divorce, and they just need an attorney to ensure that all the paperwork is filled out properly. I routinely also deal with very contested divorce cases, and I'm prepared to take the case either from an amicable settlement, where the parties are in agreement on all respects in their divorce, or to take it to trial in front of a judge and let the judge make the ultimate decision with respect to equitable distribution and child custody. When I act as a mediator, I'm not acting in my capacity as an attorney. I'm acting as an independent individual attempting to help the parties resolve all of their outstanding issues. The best interest of the child is the standard in Rhode Island, so that's what the courts will always be looking at when they look at a child custody matter. A child custody case can be as simple as setting a specific visitation schedule, or as complex as the parties arguing over joint legal custody versus sole legal custody and who the child should live with most of the time. I've successfully litigated many cases where my client was able to prove that it was in the child's best interest for my client to have sole legal and physical custody of their child. I routinely file restraining orders and defend against restraining orders, which have been filed in all of the counties in Rhode Island. With respect to the filing of a restraining order, frequently a client will come into my office and explain to me that they're in fear or that they're being stalked or harassed, and we'll go down to the court and we'll obtain a temporary restraining order. With respect to defending against restraining order cases, I also successfully handle many of those where somebody has had a restraining order filed against them, which frequently removes them from the home if the parties were living together. We go into court and we have a full hearing, and the case will ultimately be dismissed after the parties both testify. So the ultimate goal of my family law practice is to walk my clients through each step of the process in a manner which they will understand. I aggressively advocate for them to achieve their ultimate goal, and I'm here to put their mind at ease if there's something that they don't understand.